stop making frontside flips harder than they need to be. I'm gonna give you a few strategies to make frontside flips easy, approachable, and most importantly, take very little energy to do. The common way to think about frontside flips is that you have to spin a lot and jump really high and do a big kick flip. Yeah, it works. Frontside flips are sick like that. They look great, but it's really hard to pull off consistently. I want frontside flips to be easy, where you can do them lazy, and most importantly, consistently. To set up for a frontside flip, we have to focus both on foot position and body position. We have to get everything right from head to toe to make this trick work. We're gonna start with your foot position. I like a low front foot, somewhere around the center line of the skateboard. That means equal distance between both trucks. We do this so our front foot avoids running into the nose, because I find when my front foot runs into the nose, my rotation gets a little bit inconsistent and hard to predict. We want to let the nose come up and over as the board is flipping. So to do that, I want to get my front foot out of the way so the nose can go on the right path. Your back foot counterintuitively will go on the toe side of the tail. This back foot position also helps with the board rotating the proper direction. You can test this yourself. If you put your back foot more on the heel side, it will just be harder to spin the board. You can use toe side pressure through your setup and through the pop to get the board to rotate frontside easier. Now let's talk about the rest of your body. What are you doing with your knees, hips, and shoulders? The way I view frontside flips, it's important to face a little bit forward through your pop. So that means your hips are almost facing your target, your chest is almost facing your target, and you're looking where you're going. So you're already almost turned around. We can pair our rotation with that open position to pop, right? You don't just have to start right here. You can rotate into it and then jump to spin everything. So we have our foot position and we have our takeoff position. But what does your footwork do during the pop, which is the most important part of the trick? I play a little mental trick on myself to make this work. I pretend that I am skating perpendicular to my skateboard, and I pretend like I'm doing a kickflip sideways. So even though in this instance, I'd be skating towards the camera, I am visualizing as if I was skating this way and doing a kickflip. That forces the board to rotate. My back foot is going that way and my front foot is going down the line that way. This gets everything sideways and then you can finish it from there. So if you're following along, you now know the foot position, the wind up, the takeoff, the kick flip to halfway. Now it's time to land. The most common problem is to end up off of the toe side of the board and maybe slightly under rotated. So what we're gonna do is try to sit behind the board and get used to catching it with our back foot, maybe at a slight angle, and try to just focus on pushing your back foot forward to finish the rotation. The combination of sitting slightly behind the board off of the heel side and being comfortable pushing your back foot out forward to land it will reliably finish the rotation. Then all you have to do is keep soft knees and squat out the landing and just try to fight for it and stay balanced. You'll be skating out switch, sometimes in an awkward foot position, but that's okay. I call that portion of the trick just dancing with it. Now you have frontside flips.